Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer USDT from Bitget to MEXC without a fee. So to get started with that, the first thing to do is to log into your Bitget. So access your Bitget account for your website or your mobile app, depends on any of the channels you have. Then after that, you have to navigate to the drawer section. So go to Asset, then click on the drawer. Then you have to select the USDT and choose the network. So choose the USDT has the cryptocurrency and select the network lower fee, such as TRC20 or BIP20 has typically have lower withdrawal fee compared to ERC20. Then after that, you have to obtain the MEXC deposit address. So log into your MEXC account, then navigate to wallet. Then from there, click on deposit, then select USDT and choose the name network you selected on Bitget. Then copy the deposit address provided. Then after that, you have to initiate withdrawal on Bitget. So paste the MEXC deposit address into the withdrawal section feed on Bitget. Then enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. And after that, reveal the transaction details, including any applicable fees, and confirm and complete the withdrawal process. Then after that, the transfer may vary depending on network congestion. So once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the fund will be appear in your MEXC account, and that's how you can simply transfer USDT from Bitget to MEXC without a fee. And that's it.